Here's how to make a Gamepass and please donate. Now you can see I'm in the please donate game and you can see I have a Gamepass, give me Robux, and you can see a bunch of different Robux that people can donate to me. If you wanted to create your own Gamepass, let's hop out of here by tapping on the Roblox icon and hitting leave game and leave. Now, after you've done that, you're going to tap on the More button at the very bottom right, and we're going to get into the Create section to do this. So scroll down, tap on Create, and now you're looking for your experiences. You'll by default have an experience. You want to make sure it's set to public. If it's not, tap those three dots, and where it says Make Private, tap on Make Public. After you've done that, let's open up the experience, and then tap on the three lines at the top left. And you're looking for, as you scroll down under monetization, it says passes. From here, just tap on create a pass if you don't have a pass already. And you can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to name this Hi. You can, of course, change the image, etc. and hit create a pass. Now, here is that pass that we just created named Hi, but you can see it is set to off sale. So we want to make this for sale so people can give us those Robux. You can tap on the Hi button right here to open up that Gamepass. Tap on the three lines at the top left and then sales. Now from here, all you need to do is turn on item for sale and set a new pricing. Keep in mind, Robux does take 20% or rather 30% of this. So you can set this to whatever I want. I can set it to 2,000 Robux and hit save changes. Now, after I've done that, I can always go back by tapping on the three lines and hitting back to passes, and you can see all of the passes I have for sale. Let's create that Game Pass by getting out of here, tapping on home, and then we'll tap on please donate and play. Now, all we need to do once we're in the game is navigate to that specific Robux game. Oh, he just sat down. Anyway, just navigate to that specific stand, claim the stand, and you'll be able to start getting and receiving Robux.